So this is a curved part lace front wig. I'll be cutting this piece off. I'm gonna go ahead and get that together. Then I will put it on. There's the adjustable strap, a comb, another adjustable strap, then a comb on the what will be left side of the head. So there are only 2 combs in here. So what I love the color. It has this really bright streak, blonde streak here on either side. This wig reminds me of my Tyra wig, but it has this streak here. So the first thing I notice about this wig is that it is extremely light weighted. It feels so good on my head. You know, some wigs have this heavy feel to them once you put them on, and it's just like, wow. This is so lightweight. But yeah, look at the beautiful colors. I love the blend of colors. I don't even know how many shades are in here, because you have the dark at the root. It looks like maybe 3 or 4 more shades down here, and this blonde just intermingled between like what seems to be auburn and chestnut. It's just beautiful. I love it. So we'll see how it does, if it's one of those wigs that tangle easily, and I have to constantly, you know, brush it, or if it mattes quickly. I'll let you guys know. And yeah, so this is the unboxing, first impression of this. So this wig, I love this wig. I have been wearing this wig for like a month now. So it's very versatile. As you can see, I have it in a thick braid here. And it's super cute. This hair is very soft, you guys. It's very soft. I love the color. I love the streaks, the blonde. There's like a couple of like almost grayish blonde streaks in here. And as you can see, it looks different in the sun versus the natural room light. I love the versatility of the part. I wear it in the center sometimes, as well as the side. So this hair does not tangle easily. That's one positive point that I'd like to make. This hair does not tangle easily. I can go about my day and not worry about having to brush it constantly. I may have to brush it like once throughout the day. It's very easily managed. It's very soft, and it's just so pretty. The color, it's just so pretty, guys. I get a lot of compliments on it. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it necessarily because of the almost look grayish blonde in the sun, and I thought that would age me, but it's very sultry. It's just very pretty. I love it. It's actually I would probably say my favorite wig, my favorite unit of all. And I have many units, and I actually have maybe 3 or 4 more wigs units I need to review. So this one is definitely my fave. So yeah, you guys, I would definitely recommend this unit. I've washed it. I have placed pink hair lotion on it, and this is the way it looks after washing and placing pink hair lotion on it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you like to see more unit reviews, and comment below if you already have this or you think you may purchase it. I will place the link in the description box below so that you can order it online as well. Alright, talk to you guys later.